Hi guys, welcome to your 11th tutorial on XHTML. In the last tutorial I said we'd have another look at a image, and here I put one here for you, image src superman.jpg, right? Now, I put a horizontal line break here just to separate. So what we'll do is, just to show you this first, well I won't show you first, what I want to go on to, you'll see this coming up in a few minutes, but what I want to go on to is another thing called tables, okay? Now, tables is just a table basically, so where you can put information which you have in a nice table. So here I am taking out the border, right? I'll go through that in a minute. So you start off in a table, end of the table. TR is your rows, right? So you open it and you close it here. You open it, close it here. So this is one row going across, and this is called table data. So if you're reading this across ways, you're going to have yellow, blue, green. Your next row is going to be below that. It's going to have sun, sea, field. Okay, so if we were to save that and we were to run that in Firefox, what we should see is a table. The table will just look like loose information, as we call it. It doesn't look as what I would call it in a nice format, right? Now, first of all, there's the horizontal line, as I said. There's the image here. Now remember, guys, with these images, do use Photoshop to bring it down to a size that you want. Don't just take an image of, any old image which could be 2.5 by 1100 and put it on and then reduce it. Otherwise, you're still loading a big image and you're condensing it down. So the best way of doing that is just to go to Photoshop, any converter, and just reduce the image first before you upload. Now, tables. So you've seen the table, okay? But it doesn't look great, does it? No. So what we do is here we can add a border, okay? And this will go around every element in our table. So we'll give it a border of one pixel. Okay, we can save that. We'll go back in and we refresh this, okay? Now, look how much better this looks here. Now, we have our border. But we can also increase the size of this. If we're not happy with that, we can go width, say, is equal to 300. Okay? So let's just see if we go for width 300, what exactly we'll end up with. Let's save that. And we'll go back in. And we'll refresh this. There you go. Right? You can also give it percentages. We can go width is equal to, let's see now, 100%. So we save that. We go back in, we refresh, and this should take up the whole of the page, as you can see. Okay, so now guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. So don't forget to sum up. There's the image here. There's a horizontal line break here, and this is a table. We put a border in to make it look more like a table. We've given it a width, any width you like, percentages or pixels. Table row, open and close them, open and close them. There's your data in it, TD, and there's your closing. Okay guys, thanks for this one, and I'll see you in tutorial 12. Bye bye.